went and bought these 2 canvases. They are really big, like up to my breast, literally. And they are from Michael's, and they had buy one get one, and they're 30 bucks a piece. So I got 2 for 30, which is not bad. And I'm going to make one picture out of both of them. So this is what they look like before. So I want this to be kind of simple. I went and got some of my paints. These are the paints I've been using since I've been here for different whatchamacallits, projects and stuff. So I'm gonna look through here and see if there's something in here I need, which I don't think it is. Maybe a gray or silver or something like that. But other than that, I think I got everything I want to work with. And this is a granite gray. Yeah. And some Mod Podge. I'm gonna be doing RIZZY'S things for her room as well. So yeah, I don't see nothing that I need. But I did get, let me show y'all what I got. This is to protect the table, because I'm going to do them on the table. And I got, this is the only color I got from Michael's because I thought this was so freaking pretty. Y'all see that metallic color? Isn't that so pretty? So I got that because I figured, oh my gosh, that's going to be bomb with those chairs. And then I got this sort of blue metallic-y color too that I want to throw in there. Then I got, this royal gold, which looks more like copper to me. Well, I don't know. But anyways, this royal gold. And then I got this silver, which is basically what I already got, I think. Sterling silver. Yep, silver sterling. Same difference. Yeah. So, and then I got black. So I want this to be simple and elegant. Not too much going on, but beautiful at the same time. So let me turn this over here and stop it. So first I'm going to start off by putting something down to protect the surface so that paint doesn't get on it. And later on you're going to see I may be putting something down on the floor as well. And I'm not sure if I want them to go horizontal, parallel, or if I want them to go vertical and be parallel. But we shall see. But I just love the concept of more than one piece of canvas that's made into one piece of artwork, which is what I am going to be doing, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So right now I'm getting ready to go and get my staple gun, because what I want to do is to staple the backs of the canvases together so that way they do not move and they stay really close together as I paint one unified painting, and then later separate them to show it 2 paintings that create one. So that's what I'm doing right now, and it's going to be time to start painting, and you cannot go wrong with paper plates. I have some paint palettes, but yeah, they're small, and since I'm working with a lot of paint, it's just better to get some paper plates and just move on from there. So I'm just doing a little bit of sketching just to get an idea of the design that I'm looking forward to seeing on this artwork, and then I go from there. Usually I do a light sketch, but usually once I start painting, my mind and the creativity starts to flow, and I kind of go from there. But I always start with some form of light thin pattern of design. So that's what I did. So let's get started and start painting this canvas, guys. I'm starting off with the black. As you can see, I like to use sponges and I like to use brushes, depending on the design and how narrow I need to make certain lines in different areas of the art piece. I use different materials and different tools. So guys,
This is really not a DIY. I'm just kind of sharing me creating some art for that wall that I've been wanting to create for the longest. And I've been mixed with, did I want to put some wood up there, do a wood piece, a canvas piece? I wasn't sure. Then one day I just woke up and said, you know what? I want to do canvas because I have a lot of wood and different eclectic pieces of different materials, but I have no canvases up downstairs in the living room or in the dining room. So that's why I decided to go this route. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. All right, so continue watching. Unfortunately, guys, my camera died and I was too in my zone to take the stuff off of my camera in order to save space, and I just continue painting. And right here is some glue rings that I made with hot glue that did not work out. So this is what I had to do.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but I got hot glue on here, and I started with a little circle and I got them all the way big. And I want them to look like splattered paint, like wet 3D paint. Splattered. So I tried on that plate, that didn't work, so that's why I'm doing it on here, which is much better. So now I'm about to transfer it to this paper and paint the different color blues to put on the paper, on the actual painting. Let me show you what it look like. So this is what I have so far. You have a pearl here, white pearl, gray, and then you have black, and then I have gold that I just kind of squirted to separate everything. And that's gonna go on the wall just like that right there. So let me get finished. This is why I did counter, because it was ripping up the plates on the other one. So yeah, these are the colors I'm using, and this one is a blue flash, which is a color shift. It changes colors like it does here. And then this one is a sapphire. So these are the two blues I'm gonna be using. And that's what they look like. So let me get to painting. So here's what it looks like, and I'm getting ready to remove these ones because those are going to be the other colors, so I don't make a mistake. You know how you painting fast, you make a mistake and paint the wrong ones. So all the ones without the blue dot on it are the ones that's going to be the other blue. So I'm going to move these out the way so that I can paint them together. That way if paint from each one of them gets on the other one is fine, because they're all going to be the same color. Alright, so the dark blue is done, and it is so freaking gorgeous. I love this metallic blue. And this is a sapphire, so we're getting ready to do the other color. So this one is done as well. And I mixed a tad bit of the other color in there because it seems so light. It probably looks dark on camera, but let me show you the other blue. So these are the two different blues. Yeah. Yep. That's gonna be so pretty, guys. Yes. Can't wait, can't wait. I'm gonna let this dry for a little while. It's gonna take a minute because that gold was poured. So
I'm sorry, guys. I wanted to share all of it, but I was in my zone, and I love the way she turned out. I had to show it to you guys the next day, so it'll be a little bit brighter in the living room, so in the dining room. So this is what she looks like. I love it, and I also did a project with my baby girl.
We're also doing some for Rizzy. She's going to paint the background for her canvases, for her room in black, and then I'm going to put glitter and put her name on them in pink. So hold on one second, guys. get her a cup with some water in it, just a little cup. Got Miss Missy doing the background for her artwork for her room. So she's painting that, then she's gonna be doing this one as well. I will show you guys what it looks like when she's done. She'll get it.
I hope my revivers enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you thumbs up. And guess what, guys? This is where your girl is on social media, but before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.